What did Brianna Montez get from eBay? What does that say? Hi, Brianna. Merry Christmas from your Secret Santa. What? What? You have a Secret Santa? What is this? Open the packages.
Okay, so it's a very coloring book.
Oh my gosh!
1, 2, 3.
And they're all gift wrapped, so do you have to save them for Christmas?
Maybe not.
I think but you got 2 packages.
2? Oh my gosh, I better open it. I'm so excited. This time it's me.
I know, huh?
Now it's the other person with the bee.
I think you need to save those for Christmas.